Hi everyone. Today's Play Pause It is going to be a how-to video. We're going to look at the 8.10 graded assignment, the Your Voice project. So let's take a look. So let's start at the very beginning. Where can you find the assignment document? So it's in several places, so you can find it wherever you are in Unit 8. It's in the 8.01, 8.08, and 8.10 lesson modules. If you click the next arrow after this video, you'll be taken to the assignment document. It is worth 60 points, and you're going to have the duration of Unit 8 to work on this project. The finished product is your choice. This is another assignment where you get to be creative. You can create a short story, a memoir, a play scene, a poem, or something else. It's really up to you how you express yourself in this assignment. So let's take a look at the assignment details. You're going to work on the assignment in each Unit 8 lesson as we move forward, so that by the time we get to the final lesson, you'll have a completed project. This is a look at the graded assignment document. The essential questions are provided for you, the assignment instructions are provided for you, and a process that will lead you through each step along the way is provided for you in the graded assignment document. So I encourage you to spend some time with this in the unit as well. So in this assignment, you will complete a writing assignment that expresses or explains what being an American means to you and how America and its core values have influenced your life. You can write a poem, a short story, an article, a memoir, or a drama. You will be doing this as we work through Unit 8, which also reflects this view through the literature that you're reading. So as we work through it, you'll get some different ideas about how you might express this in your own project. The essential questions for the unit are: how does an experience influence a writer's style and purpose? And how does our current understanding of America compare with the historical perception of America? And again, you're seeing these elements as we work through Unit 8, and you'll be able to infuse them into your own work. So the project is this. You're going to choose your subject. You could write about your own experience, the experience of your family or a specific family member, or the experience of a group with which you identify. You're going to choose your project mode. Write a poem, a short story, an article, a memoir, a drama, and then you're going to write. You're going to think of an experience or situation that had an impact on how you understand what being an American means to you. You're going to use your project to explain the experience, define what being an American means to you, and explain how its core values have influenced your life. So the basic guidelines for the different options that you can pick are: if you choose to write a poem, it needs to be at least 20 lines. If you choose to write a short story, it should be at least 2 to 4 pages, which is approximately 700 to 1,300 words. If you write an article, you could write an article about what being an American means to you. You'd want to go for the same word count range, approximately 700 to 1,300 words. Same for a memoir. Again, you'd shoot for 2 to 4 pages, 700 to 1,300 words. And again, same thing if you were going to write a scene from a play. It should be 2 to 4 pages of dialogue, essentially 700 to 1,300 words. Again, so this is a guideline. I'm not going to make any deductions if you go beyond that. That's a typical question is, can I do more than that? Yes, if you have more to say, you can go beyond this. This is just a guideline recommendation for you. Let's take a look at the rubric. So when you look at the rubric, you want to focus on what I'm looking for full credit. So let's look at that here. So the purpose, the written assignment completely fulfills its purpose of communicating the student's expression or explanation of the American experience and America's core values. So make sure that your purpose is clear. The ideas and content, this is going to be double the point value here, so make sure to spend time ensuring that your ideas and content are as strong as you intend them to be. The written assignment contains insightful explanation and examples of the student's American experience and the importance in the student's life of America's core values. The student has effectively used one of the 4 format options to present the information. And if you find that you want to use a different format, again, you can speak with me and we can develop that as well together. Structure and organization. The writing assignment follows a clear and logical structure appropriate to the format the student has chosen. Articles reveal an underlying outline and clear thesis statement. Short stories and memoirs use chronological organization, and poems have a structure that lead readers to a poem's theme. Going forward with the rubric, language, word choice, and style. Again, you want to aim for this full credit here, and you want to use effective, compelling language to express key ideas. You want to consider purpose, audience, tone in your language and word choice. I'll let you continue to read the remainder here. And again, sentences and mechanics, please make sure to proofread. Please make sure that you read aloud to make sure that your ideas are expressed as clearly as you intend them to be. And then you're going to complete your project. You'll complete your project in a separate document and submit that file to the Dropbox. Don't forget to proofread before you submit, and you'll submit to the 810 assignment Dropbox by the due date. So that's it. Please reach out to me with any questions. Again, I intend for this to be a fun project, a project where you can get creative and still meet assignment requirements. So this is where we're bringing it all together. American literature, we've been studying this entire semester, the progression from the very early days of America until current times. So this is your chance to bring that all together and discuss how it's relevant to you. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.